Your iPhone screen is black and unresponsive, but don't panic. We're going to fix your iPhone black screen of death right now without any computer needed. The first most common fix involves a force restart, which essentially gives your iPhone a hard reboot to clear out any temporary glitches causing the display to freeze. To do this, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. If that first method doesn't bring your iPhone back to life, the problem might be a completely drained battery or a faulty charging cable. So the next step is to connect your iPhone to a known working charger with an official Apple cable and let it charge for at least 30 minutes to see if it powers back on. Should neither of those solutions work, we'll move on to resetting your iPhone settings, which can often clear underlying software conflicts without deleting your personal data. And if all else fails, we'll guide you through restoring your iPhone from an iCloud backup to get your device functioning again.